Do I need to contact my mobile network provider to reactivate my SIM card?
Hello viewers. Today, we're going to discuss a common query related to mobile network usage. Do you need to contact your mobile network provider to reactivate your SIM card? If you're facing this issue, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right into it.
Understanding SIM card reactivation.
First things first, what do we mean by SIM card reactivation? When you haven't used your SIM card for a long period, it may become deactivated. Reactivation refers to the process of bringing it back into use. But, is this something you can do on your own, or do you need to get your mobile network provider involved?
When do I need to contact my provider?
Generally speaking, the answer is yes. If your SIM card has been deactivated, you'll most likely need to contact your mobile network provider to reactivate it. This is because your provider has control over the network and the SIM cards registered to it. The process to reactivate a SIM card often involves a security check to verify your identity and ensure that the card is not being misused.
Can I reactivate my SIM card myself?
Unfortunately, there's no direct method for you to reactivate your SIM card by yourself. This is due to security reasons, as your mobile network provider needs to verify your identity before activating any SIM card. So, the simple answer to this question is, no, you cannot reactivate your SIM card without contacting your provider. There you have it. If your SIM card is deactivated, you'll need to get in touch with your mobile network provider to reactivate it. Remember, this process is in place for your own security and to prevent any potential misuse of the network. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.